Apostrophe versus single quote. What is the semantic difference between apostrophe and single quote? I see people use both of them interchangeably, but people never create two words to denote one concept. There should be a difference.
An easy way to differentiate. An apostrophe is only used within or at the very end of a word. It is part of the word. In English, it serves three purposes: the marking of the omission of one or more letters, as in the contraction of do not to don't, the marking of possessive case, as in the cat's whiskers, the marking as plural of written items that are not words established in English orthography, as in PS and QS, the late 1950s. This is considered incorrect by some. See use in forming certain plurals. The use of the apostrophe to form plurals of proper words, as in apples, bananas, etc., is universally considered incorrect. Single quotes are only used around words. They come in pairs, and are not part of any word. Single or double quotation marks denote either speech or a quotation.
TLDR. The apostrophe's proper usage denotes possessive form or missing letters / numbers. The single quote is to denote a quote within a quote. Also, often used for emphasis. Apostrophes. Apostrophes are utilized to denote possessive form of a noun and or the missing letters / numbers when contracting multiple words, shortening a single word or date, position. Apostrophes may occur before, within, and rarely at the end. Missing letters examples. Within word. There isn't, to my knowledge, a use of apostrophes to denote a plural noun. Still, can't say for sure the isn't, though a plural word place it at the end and not between its letters. End of the word. Others' background, training, and education may know more. Most common use is to show nouns plural and possessive form. Also, if CTOF use of apostrophes for slang nd speaker's white accent. Beginning of the word. Since 67, seen primarily at beginning of dates. ET.pth slang usage to think of. Note: pronouns, acronyms, and certain words denote possession without the apostrophes. Its equals contraction of it is. Its equals possessive form of it. Single quote. A single quote is used for quotes within a quote. The off-label usage is for emphasis when italics, bold, and underlining isn't enough. Quotes within a quote. Our English/psychology professor claimed, the author states, word processors' use of smart apostrophes are leading to the demise of the apostrophe by converting any at the start and end of a word to the angle quote, which clearly shows Luddite tendencies in the author's subconscious. Emphasis. Using single apostrophes to call out a teen or phrase may be more common than for quote with a quote. SMS before smartphones added emojis led to many special characters being used to emphasize the nuances lost with text. Edited. The post saw most apostrophes, except with 67, as a quote command. This meant they were hidden and changed the font after the apostrophes. Except for 67-foot, all apostrophes were switched for single quotes. I may have missed a couple. Thanks for reaching the end. Have a great week.
You asked about the semantic difference, but there is also a technical difference. ASCII and typewriter keyboards do not have a single quote character, only quotation mark U+0022 and apostrophe U+0027. So people typing on traditional mechanical and computer keyboards use apostrophes both within and around words. Some editor applications have context-sensitive, smart quotes that substitutes typesetting characters when an ASCII character is typed. Left single quotation mark U+2018. Right single quotation mark U+2019. Left double quotation mark U+201C. Right double quotation mark U+201D. And to make things more confusing, such applications may also substitute a right single quotation mark for an apostrophe even within words.
That's